Ever thought of earning money simply by watching videos? Sounds too good to be true, right? But hear me out. There's this platform called Animation Arena. It's a treasure trove of content where you can find various movies, video games, and even comics. And the best part? You get paid for giving your feedback on them. Yeah, you heard that right. You get to watch, play, and then share your thoughts, and voila, you've earned yourself some cash. And don't worry, you don't need any special skills or experience for this. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Another great thing about Animation Arena is that it's available worldwide. So, no matter where you are, you can take part and earn. So, you're sitting at home watching a movie or playing a video game and earning money. How cool is that? Are you curious about how you can earn from this? Let's dive in. The process is straightforward and the earning potential is exciting. For every review you give, you'll earn $15. That's right, $15 for simply sharing your thoughts on a movie or a video game. But there's a cap. You can submit up to 10 reviews per month per email. That's a cool $150 just waiting for you to claim. But here's a clever trick. If you have more than one email account, you can sign up multiple times and double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings. It's all above board and a great way to maximize your earning potential. And the cherry on top? Your earnings are paid through PayPal, making the transaction process smooth and easy. So not only do you enjoy the content, but you also get paid for it. It's a win-win situation, isn't it? So, what's stopping you from diving into the world of Animation Arena? Isn't it enticing to earn while indulging in your love for movies, video games, and comics? Picture this. You're sitting comfortably engrossed in an engaging video or game, and as the credits roll in, you're richer by $15. Just for sharing your thoughts. No catch, no complicated procedures. Animation Arena is your ticket to this exciting, hassle-free earning opportunity. It's open to everyone around the globe. You don't need any special skills or experience, just your love for entertainment and a keen eye for detail. And the best part? You get paid via PayPal, ensuring a secure and swift transaction. You can review up to 10 times a month with a single email account. Want to earn more? Sign up with multiple accounts. It's that simple. Start earning now by watching videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting earning opportunities.